1. Ecstasy, ECSTASY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, extreme happiness or overwhelming joy. Example sentence, the winning team celebrated their victory with sheer ecstasy. Synonyms, elation, rapture, bliss. Antonym, misery, sorrow, despair. 2. EDDY, EDDY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a circular movement of water, air, or any fluid, creating a small whirlpool. Example sentence, the leaves were caught in the eddy of the river, swirling in circles. Synonyms, whirlpool, vortex, swirl. Antonym, calm, stillness. 3. EDICT, EDICT. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, an official order or proclamation issued by a person in authority. Example sentence, the king issued an edict declaring a new law for the kingdom. Synonyms, decree, order, command. Antonym, suggestion, request, proposal. 4. Edifice, EDIFICE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a large, impressive building or structure, often with architectural significance. Example sentence, the grand edifice stood as a symbol of the city's rich history. Synonyms, building, structure, monument. Antonym, ruin, debris, wreckage. 5. Edify, EDIFY. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to instruct or improve someone morally or intellectually. Example sentence, the teacher's purpose was to edify her students through meaningful discussions. Synonyms, educate, enlighten, instruct. Antonym, mislead, confuse, misinform. 6. Eerie, EERIE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, strange and frightening, often in a mysterious or supernatural way. Example sentence, the abandoned house had an eerie atmosphere, sending shivers down their spines. Synonyms, spooky, haunting, creepy. Antonym, normal, ordinary, familiar. 7. Efface, EFFACE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to erase, wipe out, or remove something, especially from a surface. Example sentence, the artist used a soft cloth to efface the pencil marks from the drawing. Synonyms, erase, delete, obliterate. Antonym, preserve, retain, keep. 8. Effective, EFFECTIVE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, successful in producing the desired result or effect. Example sentence, the new marketing strategy proved to be highly effective in boosting sales. Synonyms, efficient, productive, successful. Antonym, ineffective, inefficient, unsuccessful. 9. Effectual, EFFECTUAL. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, producing the intended or desired effect, effective. Example sentence, the implementation of strict policies proved to be effectual in reducing crime rates. Synonyms, successful, potent, powerful. Antonym, ineffective, futile, useless. 10. Effectuate, EFFECTUATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to bring about or accomplish something, to make something happen. Example sentence, the company's management took swift action to effectuate changes in the organization. Synonyms, achieve, implement, realize. Antonym, prevent, hinder, impede. 11. Effeminate, EFFEMINATE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, having traits, characteristics, or behaviors considered typical of a woman, often used to describe a man. Example sentence, the actor played an effeminate character in the play, challenging traditional gender stereotypes. Synonyms, feminine, womanly, delicate. Antonym, masculine, manly, rugged. 12. Effervescence, EFFERVESCENCE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the state of being lively, enthusiastic, or bubbly. Example sentence, the children's laughter and excitement added an effervescence to the birthday party. Synonyms, enthusiasm, liveliness, sparkle. Antonym, dullness, lethargy, apathy. 13. Effete, EFFETE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, lacking vigor, energy, or effectiveness, worn out or exhausted. Example sentence, the once mighty empire had become effete and was no longer a dominant force. Synonyms, weak, feeble, decadent. Antonym, strong, vigorous, robust. 14. Efficacy, EFFICACY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the ability to produce the desired result or effect, effectiveness. Example sentence, the medication was known for its high efficacy in treating the illness. Synonyms, effectiveness, efficiency, potency. Antonym, ineffectiveness, inefficiency, impotence. 15. Effigy, EFFIGY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a sculpture or model representing a person, often used as a representation for protest or ridicule. Example sentence, the angry crowd burned an effigy of the unpopular politician. Synonyms, image, likeness, figure. Antonym, reality, actual person, living being.